Harrah's Action Casino is a full-service resort located about 40 miles away from Phoenix, offering a compact but well-rounded gaming and entertainment experience in the Arizona desert. The resort features a 529-room hotel and 40,000 square foot casino floor packed with over 1,100 slot machines and around 23 table games, including blackjack, craps, baccarat, roulette, and poker. Guests can also enjoy amenities such as multiple restaurants and bars, a lagoon-style pool with a swim-up bar, a fitness center, spa services, and access to the nearby Ultra Multi-Entertainment Center with bowling, movies, and arcade games. This resort is opened up in 1994, owned by the Action Indian community. The property operates under Caesars Entertainment and has undergone several expansions, including a major hotel addition in 2011 that significantly increased its capacity. Today it stands as one of Arizona's notable tribal casino resorts, blending modern amenities with a relaxed desert atmosphere. Alright everybody, we are doing a casino walking tour. There's the entrance. The hotel is over in that area and we're gonna walk clockwise. So bear with me. I'm gonna try to do a nice walking tour. Hopefully I can get everything in this video. But we are at Action. I think it's AKChin. I'm not sure. It is a big casino. They have a lot of games, newer games, old games, Ainsworth, all of the above. But I'm gonna try to walk through. I don't think I'll be able to capture all the whole floor because this place is so big. But follow me, as you can see. So this walking tour is after our $1,000 challenge. And I tried to get permission to do a live stream, but it takes 10 days. Look at that, bubble craps. For the bubble craps, I hit the all tall small earlier for $1 each. And then I hit the small for $2, needed an 8 for all, didn't hit it. Bubble craps machines here are good. Okay. So over here in the corner is, I think it's the event center. Event center over here. It's mainly a non-smoking casino, which is cool. They have a small smoking section over by the hotel area. Over here is Oak and Fork. Oak and Fork. I wonder if it's a buffet. It looks like a buffet. Let's go see how much it is. Oak and Fork. Easter special. $39.95. I don't think it's a buffet, it's just a restaurant. Wow. Yeah, this place is huge. Thank you. Seems like they have a lot more IGT games here than other games. You know how I feel about IGT games. Bingo is upstairs. AKChin Circle is upstairs. And parking. Let's take a walk up. Go up. See how it is. Overlook. Maybe I could do a quick video for a short from up here. Oh, history. Oh, they have a movie theater over here too. Oh, wow. Nice. So here's your bingo hall. Way over here. It says movie theater over here. I wonder where the movie theater is. Oh my goodness. Movie theater, bowling, and arcade. What? No way. Let's go take a look. It's kind of hidden over here in the corner. I wonder why. Let's go take a look with me. This walking tour might be a little bit long, but hey, why not? You get a gist of this whole place. Okay, restrooms. Guess it's in a whole new area. Oh, wow. It's a whole new walkway over to the entertainment center. Wow, that's crazy. I know this is supposed to be a casino walking tour, but we'll give you a review of the whole resort. Why not, right? Monday, 3 to 9, $3 bowling. Wow. Let's see. There's your bowling alley down there. All right, let's go take a look. It's completely empty. Movie theater straight ahead. Down bottom floor. Movie theaters. Does it open on this side? Yes, it does. Wow. Look at the bowling area. Nice. Both sides. That's pretty cool. Then they have their arcade for the kids over here. Arcade for the kids. Where's the movie theater? Way over here? Oh, they got pizza, chicken wings, a bar over here, play to win. And your movie theater. Holy cow. Yeah, this place is big. This place is huge. There's your movie theater area. All right, I'm gonna go back over and walk through the casino. Let's go back. All right, here we go. Walking back down. Hey there. I haven't put it back in, so I'm good. Security guard told me after I won, he's like, don't put it back in the machine. Oh my God, another Disneyland. Oh snaps, we are taking the escalators and we're heading to Disneyland, adult Disneyland here. Play for fun. All right. Okay, clockwise. So I passed through over there. Let's walk on. Actually, I don't want to walk on that side. There's too many table games for us to. I don't want to record the table games, but you can see the table games. Oh, bubble craft machines. You can see there's games on the other side of the table games too. We'll walk over by the bar area over here. Let's walk through the bubble crafts machines. As you can see, this place is, I think I said it way too many times. It's big, nice and inviting. Ceilings are majorly tall. And then there's the bar area over there. There's a Mighty Cash, Lee's favorite game. We have a few Mighty Cashes here, which is cool. And they have the Ainsworth, the newer Ainsworth machines over there, but they are Ainsworth. Here, I want to walk up to the bar area. As you can see, it's pretty nice design. All right. Let's walk over, hit this section here. Try to get most of the games for you to see. See all the old games, new games. I like how they have the combination of everything here. They have a sports book. Wow, I haven't seen this one. Alright. And they have a, I don't know if it's a food court. Oh, it's just a grill called Copper Cactus Grill. Oh, there's your sportsbook area. And over here is Reina's favorite game that she likes to chase bonuses on or pays, which is the Frankenstein. There's the tickling tiki lady. And here's the sports book, where you can bet on sports, not like in California. Oh, they have a whole section to be seated. Wow. Nice. Okay. So now this right here is the small smoking section. And it's funny because they have a room here that says poker right there, but it's all slots now. This is the smoking section. Let's take a look at the poker area. Somebody got a hand pay. Nice. I don't know. I don't think these are high limit. They're just games. Old games, Buffalo games. Of course, you got your Dragon Links, Phoenix Links. Got copyright music in the background. They do have a lot of electronic game kings here, which poker, electronic poker, blackjack. Alright, so now we're gonna exit the smoking section. You can see right up there, exit smoking. And finish up walking over in this area and end up where the hotel is. I walked over in that section over there. That's where I started, so we're gonna go over here. More keno. A lot of games here. Selection of everything for you to play. This place is big. How many times have I said that? I don't know. But you can see. Let's go finish over here. Hopefully there's some games here that people saw that they want to play. Oh, check this out. The pool. I think we're going to check out the pool because we have wristbands to go over to the pool. So, how about I walk out here so you can see what it looks like. Is it open? Oh, snaps. Here you go. Here's the pool area. I'll just stand up here so you can see. Oi! I don't want to walk all the way over there. It's a nice day. It's not so hot. I think it's supposed to be mid to high 80s today. Mid to high 80s and cloudy. Let's see if I can try to fly the drone. What's over here? It's just a regular lounge bar area. Hotel check-ins over there. All right. Let's keep walking. And we are ending up over by the front where we walk in. We're giving away a car. Oh, look at this. Interesting. Hyper. Alright, and that's hotel registration. And over here, where hotel registration is called Chop Block and Brew. not open yet. And that's the walking tour, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. We'll probably play some more later. All right.